हेलो एवरीवन, टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू मॉरल साइंस सब्जेक्ट। देखिए, आप लोगों को जरा भी रीडिंग नहीं आता है तो हमें क्या है, रीडिंग पर ध्यान रखना है। मैं कितनी बार मैंने वीडियो आपको दी है विथ रीडिंग। रीडिंग तो अभी भी आपने नहीं सीखा है। सीखने की बात तो क्या है, आप लोग देखते ही नहीं हो तो कहाँ से सीखोगे। तो रीडिंग कैसे करनी है मैं एक एक लेटर पढ़ के बताती हूँ, बट यू डोंट नो अब रीडिंग कैसी होती है। रीडिंग यू डोंट नो तो मैं क्या है, आप लोगों को कई बार मैंने दे चुकी हूँ आपको रीडिंग मॉरल साइंस में, इंग्लिश एफएल में भी, बट यू डोंट नो। तो हमें क्या है, रीडिंग पर ध्यान देना है। मैं एक एक लेटर पढ़ती हूँ यानी, और आपको इसी तरह ही मेरे साथ ही आप मुझे साथ में ही मेरे साथ पढ़ोगे और यहाँ पर लेटर को पहचान आइडेंटिफाई करना है और अच्छी तरह से सेंटेंस को रीड करते आप लोगों को आ जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज रीडिंग इज मस्ट बी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर अस। तो क्या है, रीडिंग नहीं आएगी हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं कर पाएंगे, ना हम कोई चीज कर सकते हैं एक्सरसाइज। तो क्या है, हमें क्या जानना है, फर्स्ट रीडिंग। तो नाउ वी स्टार्ट 11 नंबर 11। कीप KEEP कीप YOUR योर PRO प्रो MISE promise keep your promise keep your promise. It is very very IMPOR important 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 important. To KEEP keep PRO pro MISES promises. It is very important to keep promises. So often OF हमें ऑफ टी को नहीं प्रोनाउंस करना है, ओनली ऑफन लिखेंगे, बट यू डोंट रीड, इसको रीड नहीं करेंगे। सो ऑफन बोलेंगे इसको। सो ऑफन वी प्रॉमिस टू डू दिस THIS दिस एंड THAT दैट। BUT but we don't। FUL fulfill the PROMISE promise. It is very important to keep promises. So often we promise to do this and that, but we don't fulfill the promise. This HURTS hurts. HURTS hurts. This hurts. PEOPLE people. PEOPLE people. Now once again, it is very important to keep promises. So often we promise to do this and that, but we don't fulfill the promise. This hurts people. THERE there. CN can be, there can be. SEVERAL several. REASONS reasons for not KEEPING keeping a promise. There can be several reasons for not keeping a promise. For instance, 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 you may have MAY may, HAVE have, MADE mad, a promise. PROMISE promise, WITHOUT without, क्या बनेगा without, THINK think, ING thinking. About, ABOUT about, IT it. There can be several reasons for not keeping a promise. For instance, you may have made a promise without thinking about it. WHEN when, the time, TIME time, COMES comes to fulfill it. FUL fulfill it. You find, FIND find, you are not able to do so. When the time comes to fulfill it, you find you are not able to do so. This MEANS means, this means, YOU HAVE have, MADE made, a rash promise. When the time comes to fulfill it, you find you are not able to do so. This means you have made a rash promise. ALWAYS always, THINK think, WELL well, BEFORE before you promise something, SOME THING thing, something. Always think well before you promise something. SOME some, TIMES sometimes, UMAKE make, a PROMISE promise, MERE merry, LYLY merrily, to please, SOME some, BODYD somebody. Sometimes you make a promise merely to please somebody. Maybe the person is PLEASED pleased. When, WHEN when you make the promise, but but he will, SURELYLY surely be annoyed, ANNOYD annoyed, when he finds you have not fulfilled it. May be the person, PERSON, क्या बनेगा, person is pleased when you make the promise, but He will surely be annoyed when he finds, finds, finds you have not FULFILLED fulfilled it. He will surely be annoyed when he finds you have not fulfilled it. He will, WILL, he will no longer, longer, BELIEVE, believe you. He will no longer believe you. He will no longer believe you. He will, WILL, will not, take YOUR, your. He will not take your word, 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 FR for word, for anything, ANITHING, anything. When you keep, KEEP, keep YOUR, your word, 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 to mommy, MUMMY, mommy, she trust, TRUSTS, trust you. When you say YOUR, GOING to a friends, FRIEND, friends house, 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 to play. When you keep your word to mommy, she trusts you. When you say you are going to a friend's house, 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 to play, she trusts you. WHEN, when, YOU, when you, SY, say, you will, WILL, will be, BACK, back, in an hour. When you say you will be back in an hour, Daddy, 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 trust you to keep your word. Daddy, TRUSTS, trust you to keep your word, WORD, word. But if you take 3 hours to return, 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 THEY, they, GET, get, WORRIED, worried. But if you take 3 hours to return, they get worried. THEY, they, WILL, they will, STOP, they will stop, TRUSTING, 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 trusting you. They will stop, they will stop trusting you. They may not, ALLOW, allow you to go, THER, there, NEXT, next, TIME, time. They will stop trusting you, THEY, they may, MAY, may not allow you to go, THER, there, NEXT, next, TIME, time. They may not allow you to go there next time. NEVER, 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 be, CARE, care, LESS, less, careless, never be careless, ABOUT, about a promise. Never be careless about a promise. A word, ONCE, once, WORD, word, a word, once, GIVEN, given, CN, NOT, not, cannot, be, TAKEN, taken, BACK, back. Never be careless about a promise. A word, once given, cannot be taken, BACK, back, taken back. If you, LIVE, UP, up. If you, LIVE, UP, up to the promise. If you live up to the promise, you will earn, 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 the RESPECT, respect, of, OTHER, other. Never be careless about a promise. A word, once given, cannot be taken back. If you live up to the promise, you will earn the respect of other, OTHER, other. THEY, they, WILL, they will, SAY, say. They will say, yes, 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 RITA, Rita, and GULAM, Gulam, ARER, yes, Rita and Gulam are honest. इसको honest नहीं रीड करेंगे बट बोलेंगे honest. तो HONEST, honest. H का प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना है, बोलना है ओनली honest. लिखना है H पर इसको हमें रीड करना नहीं है honest. They will say, yes, Rita and Gulam, ARER, honest, HONEST, honest. THEY, they, KNOW, नो, दे नो। कनो नहीं पढ़ना है, हमें नो बोलना है कि यहाँ भी क्या साइलेंट है। दे नो हाउ, HOW, हाउ टू, KEEP, कीप, THEIR, देयर वर्ड। दे नो हाउ टू कीप देयर वर्ड।